heard the melodious call of the Indian bulbul? It's like nature's own symphony, weaving through the air. Today, let's dive into the world of this fascinating bird and explore its beautiful habitat. The Indian bulbul, or Pycnonotus scapher, is a common sight in South Asia. It's recognized by its distinctive black crest and vibrant red vent. These birds are not just pleasing to the eye, but also a treat to the ears. Their songs are a harmonious blend of whistles and chirps. Imagine waking up to that every morning. Now, let's talk about their habitat. These birds are incredibly adaptable. You can find them in gardens, forests, and even urban areas. They build their nests in bushes or trees, using twigs and leaves. It's like they're little architects, crafting cozy homes for their families. Bulbuls are frugivores, which means they primarily eat fruits. They play a crucial role in seed dispersal, helping plants grow across vast areas. Think of them as nature's guardians. Isn't it amazing? One of the best places to spot these birds is Jharkhand. This biodiversity hotspot is steaming with life. It's a paradise for bird watchers and nature enthusiasts. Picture this: the sun rising over misty mountains, the air filled with the songs of bulbuls. It's like stepping into a dream, but it's not all rosy. Habitat loss and urbanization pose significant threats to these birds. It's a reminder of how delicate our natural world is. We need to cherish and protect these beautiful creatures and their homes. So next time you see a bulbul, take a moment, listen to its song, watch its graceful flight, and remember the intricate balance of nature it represents. Because every small creature plays a big part in our ecosystem. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Enjoy watching this beautiful bird in the jungles of Jharkhand. Bye bye.